I will now add a YouTube video to my DIY websites page. Go to the admin panel. This is my DIY website. And I'll select the page I'd like to add the video. And I'm in edit mode. Now I'll go to YouTube and copy the URL from the video that I'd like to add to my page. Go back to the page, and I'd like to insert the video just below the text. So I will use that plus sign here. YouTube, just select YouTube component, and it's coming with a default video, but I will use the pencil button here to paste the URL that I'd like to see, the URL to the video that I'd like to see here. Save, and my YouTube video is on the page. Publish the page, and if we go to the live page, the video should be there. There we go.